Here is how you can remove the recycling bin icon in Windows 11. If you right click on it, even hit more options, there's no option to remove it or delete it from the desktop. So just hit your Windows button and search for themes. This will take you to themes and related settings. Let's scroll down a bit and go to desktop icon settings. And here simply uncheck recycling bin, hit OK. Now let's close this and recycling bin is gone. If you want to re-enable it, just simply reverse that setting. I can select all these, hit apply, and if I just minimize this now, you can see all those icons are showing up right there now, and it looks pretty cluttered and ugly. Hit apply, and they're all gone.